Welcome to our video installation tutorial. Included in your kit are 2 sets of mounting straps, an owner's manual, 2 headrest cushions, 2 lower seat cushions, 2 inner backrest sleeves, 2 inner headrest sleeves, and 2 backrest cushions. We begin with the inner backrest sleeve installed over your seat. Unravel a single mounting strap. The metal hook side latches onto the bottom of the seat. Proceed to guide the strap along the seat. Stuff the middle anchor into the center of your chair. Then continue to guide the strap to the top of your chair. The plastic hook mounts to the headrest pole. Tighten down your nylon strap and cut off any excess. Repeat the same process for the other side. Now slip the inner headrest sleeve. All prep work is now complete and we can install the cushion. Align the lower seat cushion with the lower portion of your chair. Tuck any excess portion into the center of the seat. Bring down the outskirt of the cushion. Tuck the side skirt into the plastic side panels for a clean finish. To install the backrest, first open the headrest slit. Place backrest cushion over the headrest. Wrap the center belt across the back of your seat. Clip the belt into place. Press down firmly on the front of the cushion. Tuck any excess bottom portions into the center of your seat. Finish the install with placing the headrest cushions over the headrest. Use the elastic band to fasten in place. This completes our video tutorial. Thanks for watching.